All right, it's time for another afternoon night of driving. I'm getting going about an hour late because we had a chiropractor appointment, but that's all right because gotta get that done. And then I had to go get grocery pickup, so that's put me behind. But wife made $70 in Poshmark today. So if you remember, the goal is about 110, so we are ahead of schedule. But let's get going. See if we can make some money tonight. Let's see what's first. All right, first one right off the bat is smash burgers for $11. So that gets us even closer to our goal. Let's go over and get some. I was heading the opposite way, and I hate to do this, but I will turn around and go get that bag. So let's do it. All right, that was an easy drop off, and I'm out in Waukee, but thankfully I got a Taco Bell from Waukee with 2 drinks and a flimsy cup holder. So I gotta figure out what I'm doing with this, but all right, let's drop this off and get some of this guy some tacos. All right, learned something I want to share with you from Taco Bell drop off. It's in a trailer park. If they text you to text so you don't have to worry about dogs, make sure you text, because you never know what you're getting into. Now, I did text, so it was fine, but it could have been a different story. Also, if the neighborhood young adults are whipping around with their remote control cars, careful of those too. I didn't have any issues, but trailer parks can be kind of sketch. So let's go on to the next one. $9 pickup. And if you're in a trailer park, I didn't mean anything by that. You know, you're cool. Bar Louie, bar in the Jordan Creek area. So let's pick that up, drop it off real quick, and get $9. Dropped off the burgers. It's a hot night, and it is not busy at all. But I'm getting that Qdoba for $9, and then we've hit our goal for the night. So just in time. Let's keep going. Keep the goal in mind. We're doing a 2-day special because the other day was just not a busy night. So first order for the Saturday is a $9 pickup from Centro Restaurant. So we will go down and pick that up and then deliver it over in the East Village. Let's start the day. Right now it is around 11 o'clock. I'm in an elevator, quick drop off for that one, and I got a Mexican restaurant waiting for me to get there. It's already ready. I'm stuck in an elevator. Let's do it. This is Spider-Man 2. Remember Spider-Man 2 when it's delivering pizza? This is where we're at today. Let's do it. Wow, is it hot out? I thought that was going to be a apartment a few flights up, but it wasn't. Thankfully, it was a street level apartment, so he met me outside. That was great. Quick minute drive over to Molly's Cupcake, favorite dessert place in Des Moines. And it's already RFP, so let's stop jabbing and go up there and deliver some cupcakes. Another $9. Cupcake order for $9 was a drop off at the local hospital. So it's nice to think that could brighten someone's day in these times, even if it's just cupcakes. The best cupcakes in Des Moines, Molly's Cupcakes. So I don't know, hospitals wig me out. Had cancer in the 80s, but the smell kind of triggers something, but we get it done. So all right, let's see what's next, right? Another $9 order, this time from Zombie Burgers. So let's go across the river and then head on up to the Drake area. So not too bad. Man, it's hot out. But remember, have your goal in mind. You can get it done. This is all just lunch hour. We're not even talking about 4:30 to 10 o'clock tonight when the crazy stuff happens. So let's get it. Right, one of my favorites, La Zaza Pack, Indo-Pac restaurant. I've never been there. I mean, I've been there lots of times. They are very nice. They're nice people. And the food smells great, but I've never eaten there yet, but maybe someday I will check it out. But they are the nicest people in Des Moines. So shout out to La Zaza Indo-Pac restaurant. Let's go pick it up. Last order was fine too. Yeah, people are nice today. We're nice. $13.50 from Lazaza Pack Indo-Pac restaurant. So I'll be hanging around in there a little bit, but that'll give me time to catch my breath a little bit. So let's make it. We're on the east side on the way over. I got flagged down in traffic around the Drake area by someone who was lighting off a bottle rocket in a glass bottle. So that was a new one. But we dropped it off on the east side, and now we're going over to Wendy's. Quick drop off for $9, and then maybe we'll take a break because it's at the end of the shift. And then back at it. Did a quick break. We are back at it for the night Saturday shift, the long haul. So we're going over to the Iowa Tap Room. Great place, great restaurant. Quick $9 trip there. We're gonna make it happen. We're already at about 112 for the day, so not even hit the rush yet, and we are looking good. Life is definitely doing well with Poshmark too. Everyone's working together. Let's go. All right, next restaurant is a new one for me. Scorno Vacca's on East 14th. Looks like some kind of Italian restaurants for 12 or 13 bucks. What I get, so that's pretty solid. I'm gonna give some. Well, I'm just gonna let you know. If you were ever wanting to make side money, it's pretty easy right now. You have to decide whether you want to do it. I can't tell you that, and I am not telling you that, but I'm telling you, like, it's ridiculous. This is the best food delivery money I've ever made in my years of doing this. And it's blowing Uber and Lyft and stuff out of the water. So do with that what you will. I'll have links to sign up if you want. I think I have links. I'll check it out. But decide what you will. It's up to you. But I'm just letting you know, like, the money that we're making on Saturday is almost $300 a Saturday. Like, that's ridiculous. So anyways, let's check out Scorno Vacca's, and let's try to keep on going. Scorno Vacca's, we did it. No big deal. Blue tie is up next. Last time, blue tie gets me every time because it's like, I was there for a long time last time, but they just offered me 2 for 1 for like 17, 18 bucks, which is pretty solid. So let's see if I fell for the tricks again. I sure hope not. Blue tie, don't do me wrong. Right, starting to heat up. Just did the 2 17, 18 totals at some creepy apartments on Ingersoll area. Now we've got a $17, $18 order for one person off of Eatery A out to West Des Moines. Not too far either, so this should be awesome. Don't drive around with your mask on all the time like a goofus. You sweat your face off, literally. It's getting hot out. Just take it off when you're in the car. Then put it back on when you are getting close. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do. You figure out what's best for your own health and safety. It's what I do because I'm sweating my face off. Right, the hits just keep on coming. Got a sushi order from Akibono for $18, $19. So during supper hour on Saturdays, you got to get it as quick as you can so that you can get those huge orders because they will stack up. Keep going. We may have gotten through the 18s, but I'm okay with that because we are way above what we should be now. We're making some good money today. So picking up the last one went well in West Des Moines, of course. Picking up from Heavenly Asian Restaurant Heavenly Asian Cuisine and Lounge in Valley Junction. Great place. Check it out. Valley Junction, 5th Street is where it's at. $11, and then that'll get me downtown where I want to be anyways. I am getting a haircut on the 14th of July. I guarantee it. Loyal Sons, I'm coming for you. I look terrible, I know. I need to shave. Stop it. All right, a quick $11. We're back downtown. We got a Menchie's frozen yogurt order for $9, so let's make it happen. And then we'll be downtown and see if we can get one of those $18 again. because I like those $18 orders. Let's do it without a hitch. Next one is at the station, nice bar at Ingersoll. It has a cool little restaurant in the back. 2 orders for almost $18, so I'm cool with that. And it'll either put me in Ingersoll area or it'll put me downtown, which I'm fine with either of that. So let's go get another $18. This is going to be the best Saturday we've ever had. So I'm going to let you know the final amount at the end of the video. I mean, this is rock. Just dropped off the $17 total one in an apartment downtown. I'm lost beyond belief. I got Akabono again for $10. I think I found it. East side, dropped it off real easy. Now over to Skornakova's or whatever Italian restaurant to pick up another quick one for about 9 to 10. Let's get it popping. Skornakova's or whatever had to add on, so ended up being about a $15 in all order after 2 of them. Then I got a Buzzard Billy's that I'm headed over to right now. That's $18. That's pretty solid. I'm trying to hit 300 tonight, which will be a super crazy like goal accomplishment for us. We've never hit 300 in one day. So I think it's going to happen probably even before 10. So let's get it going and see what we got going on. All right, forgot to do my end of the day video. So here I am in the next day. New wardrobe change. But I'm going to let you know how yesterday ended up. It was extremely good. Ended up being over $300, which is the best day that we've ever had. I think that comes out to about, it was almost $30 to $35 an hour. That's really, 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 really good. That's on probably like 2/3 a tank of gas, which is really not good. Really not bad at all. I mean, I'm okay with that. Yeah. So, best day ever. I'm gonna head out today for a few hours. I do have a interview for the Bigfoot Society podcast that's happening tonight, so I gotta get prepared for that. So, but just wanted to let you know how the day went on Saturday.